Example 1. 3-digit by 2-digit multiplication with regrouping. We're multiplying 447 by 33. With the following steps. This video should be step by step. After you do it a couple of times, you will be able to do it without seeing the guides on this page. Alright? So if you wish to, you can get a pencil and piece of paper or book and follow along. You can pause and rewind as we go through the video. You can stop it, write the numbers down, follow the steps, try it for yourself. Okay? Let's go. First step. We start multiplying the number in the ones house by the number above in the ones house too. So this time we're multiplying 3 first by 447. Let's follow the steps. So it'll be 3 times 7. Tables. 21. What do? I can hear you saying the answers. Mark off the 1. Place it in the ones house here. What do you do with the 2 here? You carry it over to the next house. In this case, it's the tens house. Leaving it here to add back to the number when you multiply here. So we multiply now. 3 times 4, giving us 12. Not to forget the number we carried over. So we know 12 plus 2, giving us 14. We can't place the whole 14 here, because we're still in the tens house and there are numbers in the hundreds house. So mark off the 4, place it in the tens house, carry the 1 over to be used in a while. Then we multiply 3 by 4, giving me 12 again. But don't forget this number here, plus 1, giving me 13. There are no more numbers here to multiply in this number, so the whole 13 can be placed right here. Remember to put the house under house, please. So you'll notice something now. This number 3 is under hundreds, but this 1 will be in the thousands position. Moving along. Now we have to multiply by numbers below. In the tens place by this number here. When you see a multiplying and more than one number, in this case it's a 10, which is 33, 3 tens. You will place a 0. It's called a placeholder, alright? Good. When we do the others now, multiply by 3 and 4 numbers, you will see how many zeros you have to add. And you get the pattern. Alright? So it'd be 3 times 7. We're now multiply by the 3 in the tens house. Give me 21. Mark off the 1. Place it. Don't forget, your numbers must be under numbers, house under house, or you have problems when you start to add your answers. Carry the 2 to the tens house. Now it will be 3 times 4. Again, we have 12. And don't forget the 2 that we carried over again. Plus 2 gives us 14. Mark off the 4. Place it under the hundreds house here. Take the 1 and you carry it over again. Alright? Good. So now we multiply more. 3 times 4 again. 12. Not to forget to add the 1. It's giving us 13. Place the whole 13 down here because there are no more numbers to multiply. 13. What do you do now? You add the 2 results together. You add them house by house. 1 plus 0 gives me 1. 4 plus 1 gives me 5. 3 plus 4 gives me 7. 3 plus 1 gives me 4. And there's no other number here. You just bring the 1 straight down. That's your answer. Example 2. Still 3-digit by 2-digit with regrouping. 608 multiplied by 57. You notice my numbers are color coded. Well, of course, when you do your work, you have color crayons, but this is to help guide you. All right? Okay, let's go. Again, the steps. Start multiplying by the number in the ones house here, by numbers in the ones house up here, followed by 10 and the hundreds. All right? Let's go. 7 times 8. 7 8s are 56. Timetables, very important. What do? You can't put the whole 56 here. Mark off the 6. Place it in the ones house. Then take the 5 and you carry it over. Alright? Good. Continue. 7 times 0. What's 7 times 0? 7 zeros are 0. We have no 7s, no zeros, none. But don't forget the 5 here still. So we add the 0 plus the 5, giving us 5. Don't make the 0 fool you, all right? Good. Then we can continue. 7 times 6. 6 sevens are 42. There are no more numbers here to multiply, so you can just simply place the 42 right there. Okay? Place them in the correct houses. Then we continue. What do we do next? We're going to multiply by 50. Yeah, 5 tens. 50 is 5 tens. Remember we did value and place value? That's where it comes in. So what we have to do now, we have to place a 0. Let's multiply the number above by the 5 in the tens place for the 57 number here. So we go 5 times 8. 5 8s are 40. Mark off. Place it in. Take the 4. Carry it. 5 times 0. 0. Don't forget to add the 4 we carried over. Plus 4 will give me, of course, 4. All right? Good. Then we multiply again. 5 times 6 will give us 30. There are no more numbers to multiply here. So you can simply just put the whole 30 down. Next step, add our results. 6 plus 0, 5 plus 0, 2 plus 4, 3 plus 4 plus 0, and 3 there. Okay? These ones are easy. There's no carry in here right now. But you know how to add. And when you see you have two numbers that add up to more than 9, you have to do the same placement outside. Very important to show your working. Now my working here is a bit large because of the screen. But you put your working in such a way that it will hold on the page so your teachers can see your working. It's very important to know, for them to know that how you got your answer. As we said, it's not the answer, only it's how you get to the answer. So let's take it up a notch. 3-digit by 3-digit with regrouping. Sounds hard, doesn't it? No. Once you know the steps from down below, from 1 digit to 2 digits, use the same rule. And then you will rule this sum. You will rule. You're going to rule, yeah. Where do we start? Of course, start in the ones house here. Then after we finish up, we do the tens house and go again to the, it's a big one. But steps, 3 times 7, 21. Put the 1 down here, take the 2, carry it to the tens house. There we go. 3 times 4, 12. 12 what? But you have to add back the 2. 12 plus 2 give us 14. Mark off the 4. Place it. Take the 1. Do what? You carry the 1 over here. The 1 must be carried. Then we have what? 3 times 4. Here you go. 12 plus the 1. I should have gone over there. Alright? Good. I give you 13. No more numbers to multiply. Carry it down 1 time. Moving on. Now, because we're going to multiply by the 3, which is actually 30. 533. So in the tens house, you add a 0. Place 0 there. Let's multiply. 3 times 7, 21. Mark off the 1, place the 1, take the 2, carry the 2. 3 times 4 gives me, what? 12. Don't forget to add the 2 back, giving me 14. Bring the 4 down, carry the 1 over. Go to the end, 3 times 4, 12, plus the 1 over here, again, there we got 13. What do we do? No more numbers to multiply, bring it down. You see a pattern there? Yeah, because he had almost by 3 down here, so it's basically the same answer. But this one, because he had a 0, because you had to put a place value for the tens house here, carried it up. Moving on to that. But hold on here. Now I'm going to multiply by a 500, because 533. What do? You got to put some places. See that? 0, 0. Do you see the pattern? If it's a 10 number, 30, you add 1 0. If it's a 500, 500 is 500, you add 2 zeros. And if you have a full number, like let's say 3,000, you add, yep, 3 zeros. So for our 500, we add 2 zeros. Now we multiply the 5 by the numbers above here. Let's go 5 times 7, 5, 7 and 35. Mark 5 off. What did you carry it down? What did you do? 3? Carry it over. 5 times 4, 20. Don't forget the 3 carried over. 20 plus 3 gives me 23. Mark the 3 off. Place the 3 there. Take the 2. Carry the 2. 5 times 4 again will give me another 20 plus 2. That will be 22. There are no more numbers to multiply here, so you can simply just bring it down. You notice how they are under each other properly. If you put them in the wrong houses when you write them down, the answer won't be correct. What do you do next? Add the 3 results. These here, it's pretty simple. 1 plus 0 and 0 give me 1. 4 and 1 give me 5. 5 and 4 give me 9. 10, 11, 12. Carry the 1 over. 3 and 3 is 6 and 1 is what? 7 and the 1 is 8. And 2 and 1 is 3. And you bring the 2 down. Simple as that. You can go this video over and over again. Follow the steps. You can even change up your numbers here. You can put in different numbers here, treat this by 2 minutes, and do your own practice and follow the same video.